I am from Mexico, and now I am living in Singapore since 2003. I came here with my two kids. I have a son, Luciano, 18 years old, Renata, 15 years old, and we are living and enjoying the life in Singapore like Singaporeans. So I live in an HDB, that is the common house for Singaporeans, and my kids go also to local schools. The beginning was very difficult because being so far away from the country, from the father, it was a little bit, and going to the local school, it was a shock, and also that they didn't speak English, so they went 2 years below, so it was very hard at the beginning. But now they are very used to, and Lucian, both of them are very keen in the music.
Voy a ir a una boda, la misma que tú vas.
¿De quién es la boda?
Del sobrino de Rina.
¿Quién es Rina?
La amiga de mi mamá. La amiga de mi mamá.
In Mexico, I was a radio DJ and also a teacher. In Singapore, I am working in the Embassy of Venezuela, and I also teach Spanish. I am by my own with my kids, so for one salary for 3 mouths. I have like Singaporean friends, and I have Colombian friends and Mexican friends. When I go out with the Latin friends, it's like being back home. There is a lot of places and there is a lot of things that we have to see. I think the university of life is to travel.